According to market cap, XRP is currently trading at $1.09 and will continue to fluctuate in price based on market conditions. At some point, you will see this video. XRP is firmly established above the 1 mark and is expected to remain there. However, that is only half of today's narrative. That is right, it just so happens that holders of XRP will receive complimentary airdrops. That is correct. XRP holders should now be prepared to get solo tokens, and this is just the beginning of the XRP community's bright future. But first, let's roll that intro. As always, welcome back to Crypto Aussie, your preferred source for cryptocurrency news. If you're new here, we'd like to extend a warm welcome to the XRP community. Simply click the subscribe button. Enable notifications to ensure you don't miss any of our daily cryptocurrency news updates. As always, I'd want to extend a warm greeting to my crypto family. In any case, Bitcoin has lost close to 15% of its value, and it appears as though the coin is likely to continue its downward trend. On the other hand, XRP holders are ecstatic about the forthcoming December airdrops. That is correct. All that is required is that you have XRP in your wallet. That is all. Sologenic announced on December 22nd that they would conduct a snapshot to determine who holds XRP and how many XRPs are held for solo. Using this, you will receive a free airdrop based on the number of tokens in your wallet. This means that you will receive complimentary coins in your wallet. Essentially, this is free money for keeping solely XRP. The majority of people on Twitter are concerned about how they can. How are the airdrops obtained, and are there any special recommendations? However, Sologenic has not updated anything thus far. However, hit that subscribe button and I will keep you informed when this changes. Once the airdrop occurs, you will have complete freedom of movement. Your coins will be directed in the direction you specify. Therefore, what do you believe is the primary cause? Is this an airdrop? To be honest, I feel they are attempting to promote the use of XRP. That's extremely good given that XRP does not require external promotion. This piece of metal, when no one is backing it, it will continue to rise on its own. Consider when people begin to support XRP. This coin will fly straight up to the moon without hesitation, which is exactly what is happening right now. If you haven't noticed, even when there is other big news, the price of XRP remains rather stable. That may appear to be normal, but it is not in reality. Consider what would happen if the Dogecoin received similar news. That is, the coin could already be soaring into the stratosphere. However, this is not the case with XRP. How come? The basic answer is that this coin's suppression is not complete. The whales are making an attempt. They want to push this coin down as much as possible in order to maximize its value. Consider this fantastic news from Sologenic. What happened to the price activity of XRP? That is true. It has remained largely unchanged. Another intriguing tweet. An XRP co-ops for 44 stated on Twitter, it has gone silent, allowing them to empty their ETH wallets before allowing XRP to run. Corruption at its most heinous. We've been duped, which was in response to a tweet from James Rule XRP, who stated, at a Tornagerimion, why has the XRP lawsuit lapsed into oblivion? https divided by financefeeds.com/ why has the XRP lawsuit gone quiet? Retweeted by an FX Finance Feeds. I'm not sure about you, but have you noticed the SEC versus Ripple case's radio silence? What has been going on the last few days? To be sure, the entire cryptocurrency world is now speculating. There may be some hope for a resolution on the horizon. That is great news, and I'm quite interested to watch what happens to XRP over the next several weeks. More importantly, I'm interested in seeing what happens once Ripple and the SEC announce their decision to settle the lawsuit. This is no longer the case, and XRP is now available to US citizens. This coin will rocket to the moon and beyond. Indeed, XRP will moon overnight, even if no one notices. The following day, FOMO will strike, and this will drive the price of this coin much higher than it has ever been. Do not be shocked if the price of this coin approaches or exceeds 2 digits before the end of the year, and that should occur immediately following the announcement of the settlement. Meanwhile, Judge Netburn had directed Ripple to deliver the recordings of its sessions prior to the radio silence. That is the area in which the SEC will search for proof. I was intrigued to hear whether the CEOs and Ripple representatives discussed XRP like a stock rather than a digital token. According to what I know, there is no evidence of such information in those records. Why? To be sure, the SEC is blatantly searching for information in non-existent locations. Furthermore, we've demonstrated that XRP is a digital coin, and the only issue is the sale of it. These tokens were produced during the initial activation of the application, regrettably, but that also appears to be a far-fetched idea. Clearly, the SEC has been looking for concepts that do not exist, and it appears as though this is all part of the SEC's attempt to stall. Otherwise, why would they request an extension? When it is evident that there is no additional evidence to support their claim, the SEC is attempting to conceal the fact that they do not wish to divulge evidence that could be incriminating. This entire legal proceeding now sounds like a cat and mouse game. That is because we are all aware that there is no conflict and all parties recognize this. However, the SEC continues to drag out this legal battle. The unpleasant issue is that the regulating body may divulge their secrets to the entire community if they persist, and this will result in a great deal of distrust. In summary, let us examine the charts. From a fractal perspective, XRP looks strikingly similar to what it was in the second quarter of 2017. I've underlined the visible fractal parallels. If history serves as a guide, we should. It is also predicted to explode in the near future as BTC's dominance dwindles as alt season approaches. Expect consolidation in the $1.50-2 range, possibly even higher given the duration. We've been stockpiling at those bargain prices. If the price of XRP exceeds 20,000 Satoshis, if Bitcoin hits a price of $100,000 USD at the same time, we should see a price of $20 USD per XRP coin. And, sure, I realize that sounds insane, but that is my price aim. Additionally, a solo coin event will take place on December 24th of this year. That is, holders of XRP will be rewarded with solo coins. If they have XRP in specific wallets and exchanges that day, I would anticipate that XRP will hit its target, whatever it is, either that day or a few days or weeks before. On the hourly chart, BTC is currently exhibiting some strong bullish divergence since the start of this latest market action. Both the RSI and the Chaikin oscillator are rising, but the Chaikin oscillator is not. It is at ease in overbought zones. Additionally, we recently crossed the AD line for the first time. This move indicates that bulls are consolidating and buying for control. This all fits into a classic inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're now trading towards the neckline, and if BTC can break through $58.40 with sufficient volume, it should soon surge. The next level of resistance is $60,000. If that occurs, I do not anticipate a weak retest. Rather, I believe BTC might blow through $60 and restart its larger upswing in its entirety. Please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors licensed by the state of California. Each video on this channel is solely for entertainment purposes. Leave a comment and let us know what you think. Let's have a conversation below. We appreciate your time and interest. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Enable notifications. Please subscribe to our newsletter to be notified every time we publish our fantastic content. We'll catch up with you in the following video.